Understanding closing scene, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, closing scene. This term is often used in movies, plays, and in various forms of storytelling. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. What is a closing scene? The term closing scene refers to the final part of a movie, play, or narrative. It's the scene that concludes the story, often tying together various story threads and providing a resolution to the plot. This scene is crucial as it leaves the audience with a lasting impression of the story. To better understand the concept, let's look at some examples. In movies like Titanic or The Lord of the Rings, the closing scene gives a sense of closure to the story. In Titanic, it's when Rose reminisces about Jack, and in The Lord of the Rings, it's when Frodo leaves Middle-earth. These scenes are memorable and often emotionally charged. Why is the closing scene important? It's not just the end of a story. It's the part that can evoke strong emotions and thoughts in the audience. A well-crafted closing scene can make a story memorable and impactful. It's the filmmaker's or author's last chance to leave an impression on the audience. Now, how can you use this phrase in English conversation? You can refer to the end of any event or experience as a closing scene. For example, the fireworks were the perfect closing scene to the festival, or, after the graduation ceremony, we had our own little closing scene with friends. And that's a wrap on the term, closing scene. I hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and how it's used in both storytelling and everyday English. Remember, the closing scene is all about leaving a lasting impact. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English.